A designated hitter made 8 hits in 10 games. Find the ratio of hits to games. What's the first thing the ratio has? How many hits did we have? 8. Ratios are written with 2 dots like that. How many games did we have? 10. But what you're going to do in your calculator is you're going to reduce the ratio if you can. And in this case, you can.
How do you know?
Well, you're going to put 8 over 10 in your calculator, and it'll be 4/5. So the ratio is 4 to 5. That's your final answer. Go ahead.
Do I get to write it down?
If you want. Here.
Can I write it down?
What do you think? It's recording, so go ahead and talk.
Okay, so first we need to find out the ratio, the amount of girls in the sophomore class. So it'd be 165 minus 76. My calculator's dead, so I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah. So we now know there's 76 boys and 89 girls. So we need to find the ratio of boys to girls. So there are 76 boys and 89 girls, and I believe we can simplify that. Wait, Ken?
Let's see.
No, I don't think so.
No, wait.
76 divided by 89. Math enter. Nope, does not simplify.
Okay.
So that is the final answer. The only thing you have to do is add the L to girls over there.
Yay!
Next to the 89 girls, put an L on there.
Okay. Oh.
So in order to find X, we're going to cross multiply and make those two numbers equal to each other. So 35X equals 55. Divide by 35.
Thank you.
And X equals 11 over 7.
Hey, let's do the hardest one possible.
Please don't say that.
I'll do a hard one.
When you see a sum or a difference on it, you're always going to put parentheses around it. Your problems will not have parentheses on them, but you're going to put parentheses around them, because if you don't, you're going to get these wrong. So when we cross multiply, we get 5 times x minus 2 equals 8. So that's 5x minus 10 equals 8. 5x equals 18. X equals 18 over 5. That's your value of x. So I always look at the different classifications here. You got flour and you got cookies. Okay? So if you have 4 cups of flour, you make 26 cookies. How many cookies will, so we don't know the cookies, we're going to put the x over there, will 6.5 cups of flour make? Okay?
Wait, that's 6.5?
Yes, 6.5 cups make. So, is it going to make more than 26 or less than 26? More. So kind of look and see if you're doing it the right way. So what is 26 times 6.5?
Something. It is 169.
169 equals 4x, and divide by 4.
42.25.
So we're going to have a little bit left over. You know how when you scrape the bowl, you always have like a little bit left over. You just stick it off to the side and it burns.
There you eat it.
Okay, the first thing we're going to do is draw a triangle. And it doesn't have to be to scale or anything. Just put an 8 on one side, 7 on the other, and 5 on the third side, because that's the ratio, right? But we know that the measure of the triangle is an 8, 7, and 5, because when you add those together, you don't get 240, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to add an x to each one of those numbers. And how do I find perimeter?
Add them all up.
Add them all up. So I'm going to say 8x plus 7x plus 5x equals 240, which is the number they gave me for the perimeter. And that is 20x equals 240. So x equals 12, I believe. Right?
Yeah, what did I say?
So if x is 12, what's the measurement of this side? What's 8 times 12?
Ooh, that's
It is something.
96 maybe?
96.
96.
What is 7 times 12?
84.
84?
Yes.
Yep.
And what is 5 times 12? 60? When you add those three together, what do you get? 96 plus 84 plus 60. Always check your work.
240.
If it's 240, then we've got a reasonable answer for that problem.